AC disconnect, and then we got our Franklin mounted right here. So today we will be unboxing and installing a Franklin whole home battery. So this is the Franklin A-Gate A-Power 2 with the battery controller here called the A-Gate. So we're just gonna unbox this. There we go, cool. All right, so they give us this little template plate to mount up on the wall to show us kind of how it's gonna go. And then here's our actual battery controller right here. There we go. All right, so we got the Franklin mounted now, the A-Gate. We're gonna mount the disconnect somewhere over here, and then the battery right here. All right, so unfortunately we were having problems getting the pallet over to the actual installation spot, so we don't actually have an unboxing video, but this is kind of what it looks like when it comes in the package. We just kind of undid this. This is the template for actually laying it on the wall. We're gonna go ahead and stand this up with Mr. Jim here and Ty, and put it on this pallet. All right, we got all of our 3/0 wire ran for this swap over from the meter. So instead of going from the meter now to the main panel, we're gonna go from the meter to our Franklin A-Gate right here, which is gonna be our automatic transfer switch. And then we'll jump over from there to the box. That's what these wires are. And now if it detects a grid outage here, it'll switch over to this battery over here, this Franklin battery, and we'll get this activated here in a moment. So all right, so it looks like the Franklin here is pulling in 8 kW, which means it's charging at full capacity, and the house is only using 1.4. So we have all right, we're gonna go ahead and try to activate off-grid mode. You just heard that click over there, and the lights are still on, so I assume it is offline. It says we're off the grid now, so there is no grid. And now the A-Power 2 is feeding the loads to the house. So, and it also says discharging. Turn off grid mode, you'll hear a click. There we go, and there it is. There's the click, and we're back online, and the A-Power should start charging again from the grid here in a moment. So yep, there we go, charging from the grid again. So this system's functional, everything's good. I'm going ahead and cleaning up, and I'm getting out of here. See y'all later.